Trig Law Applications, Example 1. Chris and Daphne are standing at the seashore 18 miles apart. The coastline is a straight line between them. Both can see the same sailboat in the bay. The angle between the coastline and the line between the boat and Chris is 50 degrees. The angle between the coastline and the line between the boat and Daphne is 55 degrees. How far from the boat is Daphne? So we can draw ourselves a picture here. We have a boat out in the bay. And we have Chris standing over here. And we have the shore or the coastline. And we have Daphne standing over here. Now, Chris and Daphne are 18 miles apart. We have Chris's line of sight to the boat, and we have Daphne's line of sight to the boat. Now, the angle between the coastline and the line between the boat and Chris is 50 degrees. There at Chris we would have 50 degrees. The line between the boat and Daphne is 55 degrees. So we have our triangle here. We don't have three sides. We don't have an included angle. So we're going to be using law of cosines, law of sines to solve this. We are looking for how far is the boat from Daphne. So we're looking for the x value in between Daphne and the boat. So that means we have x across from the 50 degree angle. The only other side we have is the 18, and it's across from the angle at the boat. And we don't know that angle, but we can determine or calculate that angle. We know that all angles in a triangle are 180 degrees. So 180 minus 50 and 55. So 180 minus 105 would give us a 75 degree angle there at the boat. So now that 75 degree angle is across from our 18. So when we write our expression or our equation that we're going to solve, we would have 18 over sine 75 equals x over sine 50. We will cross multiply to solve. X times sine of 75 equals 18 times sine 50. Divide both sides by sine 75. And we can then type that into our calculator to find our x value. So 18 times sine 50, enter, that's our numerator, divided by sine of 75, enter. And we'll end up with 14.27521. I believe our directions said round to the nearest tenth for our sides. So x would equal 14.3 or 14 3/10 miles.